Hey, business owners, having a slow month? Let's fix that. Sometimes business can be a roller coaster. One month you're up, the next not so much. But don't worry. A solid marketing strategy can boost your business from zero to hero. First up, know your audience. Who are they? What do they like? Tailor your messages to speak directly to them. Think of it as having a conversation with a friend. Next, social media is your best friend. Platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok aren't just for teens. They're gold mines for reaching potential customers. Post regularly, share stories, and engage with your followers. Don't forget about email marketing. Newsletters keep your customers in the loop. Share updates, special offers, and valuable content. It's like sending a friendly reminder that you're there for them. Ever tried collaborations? Partner with other small businesses or influencers in your niche. It's a win-win. You get exposure to a new audience, and so do they. Finally, track your results. Use tools like Google Analytics to see what's working and what's not. Adjust your strategy based on the data. So, there you have it. With the right marketing strategies, your business can soar. Start today and watch the magic happen.